Hello, I'm Callum from Pershore Sports and Prestige, and today we are out in a BMW 320D M Sport, 180 brake horsepower. It's a 2-litre diesel engine. It's on the interior we have full Dakota leather, and on the exterior it's a blue metallic. On the interior it's an automatic gearbox with flappy paddle on the steering wheel, if you wanted to take that option. Okay, so the features of this BMW 320D: it has Bluetooth for your telephone, it has dual climate control, radio and auxiliary input. It's on 83,500 miles, but that's with a BMW dealer history. Okay, so we've got two full leather seats in the back, and obviously your two standard seats in the front, so it's a 4-seater, and also two front heated seats. Okay, so as this car has 181 brake horsepower, it's got plenty of get up and go when it's needed. If you ever needed to make an overtake around something like a slow tractor or something like that, then that's perfect, but it's also still very economical and very comfy for your motorway driving, especially with the automatic gearbox. It's just a pleasure to drive. Okay, so now I'm going to take you around the exterior of this stunning 320D. As you can see on the front, you've got the signature BMW kidney grills, and being part of the M Sport pack, you've got the deeper, lower front splitter as well. Going around the side of the vehicle, you've got the larger M Sport wheels with the lower profile tyres with the rum flats. And as you can see, it's got stunning paintwork, no sort of dents or scratches or anything like that. And then coming in on the inside of the passenger door, as you can see, the leather is in absolutely outstanding condition. It's got half electric and half manual seats, and then in the back you can see there's still ample room for rear passengers, with two rear seats with ISOFIX, and then a little bit of storage and also climate control in the middle of the rear. Sorry. Okay, so now we're coming to the rear of the 320D. So if we go into the boot, you can see, even though it's a coupe, it's still got ample space in the boot for any luggage. Even if you're sort of going away or anything like that, you'll still be able to get a couple of cases and bags in there. You've also got a little bit where under the boot, a little bit more storage in there as well, as they have run flats. There's no tyre in there. Okay, so to give you a quick summary of this stunning 320D. So it's a top spec car really. It's got all the Bluetooth, the dual climate control, the leather seats, the electric seats. It's also got rear parking sensors as well. So if you want to come and give this a test drive and sort out some potential finance options or cash options, please give me a call at Pershore Sports and Prestige in Stolton. Thank you.